Oh, hello. All right. I know it was last time we spoke. It was before Christmas. I know. Well, Christmas has only taken like 6 weeks, but it's sunny today and warm in the shed, at least. I've opened the first packet of biscuits. That's since I've been in this place, that is. Here we are. Right. I just want to really capture this before this week is like the pinnacle. The top of the... getting this cover onto this deck over here. That is... I can't see that isn't the absolute summit. Because once that is on, and it's quite a thing to think about. I've thought about it so many times. Oh my god, I've done it so many times. Oh, to get this out of the way, to get this out of my head, to get it into reality. That's really important for me. Really. But it's coming so beautiful, so I just want to see it before we cover it over. Is then just again to see, and what I've been working with is a surf form, which is here. If you're not seeing the surf form, that's this tool here. It's like a rasp. It's got an open. It's like a sort of grater, and bringing the smooth, and that's what all this shaping has been done with. And you can see we've got the complete framework here then to be putting the cover over. It's done. This is all ready. I've broken this once. I broke it with my head coming through underneath, but I was very glad, really. This is what we required, because what I did in one of the first instances was take out here a part of the boat that holds it together. I can't put this on, like make it back together again with this whole cover bit without the sides being level, and I hadn't leveled the sides effectively. I was trying to rush into it a little bit. I hadn't done the prep work, so I broke this with my head and I was quite upset about it, but I was like, it wasn't even. It was quite a way out of being level from side to side. So I've got this clamp. See that like that? See, that's clamped hard there, and that's keeping that in level. I hope, well no, it's keeping it in level. So that's now all restuck, all ready to go. This is the top. I'm like, really? Yeah. Really? Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Yeah.
The sun and the moon. That's to say, records relating to the sun, records relating to the moon, and possibly some relating to both the sun and the moon. Take your pick.
Over the top to there and find it under. Where?
Mm-hmm.
here we are in a new space. It's been created. I've had in mind to make this space on this boat for, what is it now, 2018? It's now 2024. For 6 years I've been thinking ahead to the moment of making this space in the back of the boat. You see where I am? This is the back of the boat, and the front of the boat is that way. I've had her covered over for a long time at the back. I did that in 2020, and then this all over the top. There we are. Yeah, so we've made this covered over. This is all the back of the boat covered over. This is where the hatch used to be, or is the way in and out now. The front of the boat is all up that way, but it's now covered over. Made the space, so that's the huge weight off my mind. Goodness, I've been thinking about it so long to do it, and now it is done, and thank goodness. And it's a really lovely job. I had a wonderful help with my friend Artie, helping with the putting together, particularly this big sheet we did this yesterday. I got this on, and to handle the sheet and to form the curves of all of the structure underneath, all built out of this foam, this green foam, and learning the tool, the surf form is and you know, learning the eye, how to form a curve by eye and make you really see it so clearly now, and to have achieved beautiful work with it. We used 2 templates, just quarter templates, to just make this sort of curve edge, and fitted it around. But the fit right across this great curve is actually right. It's actually really good. I'm very happy with this work, and to be able to share it with you. And yeah. So now we've got the space here now. I've got the space and start to be able to appreciate, you know, it's more sittable in than I thought it would be. There's a hatch to come in over the top here, so this will be open above, and what have you. But it's actually, this is quite nice. This is the galley, so this will be the cooker in there. Cooker, sink over here. Yeah, fascinating, brilliant. So super happy to have got on with that and achieved something this week. It's such an acoustic space in here, it's really incredible. I came down through the hatch yesterday with a mobile phone in my pocket, just playing some music on it, and the way the music sounded when the speaker of the phone got into this space was extraordinary. We had the center line string set up, tension string across the top of the hole here, before we put the cover on, and plucked it, boom, like a cello, sort of, you know, great, like an instrument. Brilliant. Okay, well, look forward to the next incredible bit of progress. Thank you.